Hi guys, I'm Yao. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to clean your interior of your car by using cleaning gel. I think this is the best and the easiest way to do. Before we start, don't forget I am giving away my old ABT front spoiler, and you will see the rules and instructions in the end of the video. Now let me show you how this gel works. As you can see, I got two different of cleaning gel. This one I got it from China, and this one I got it from Canadian Tire. And you also can get it from online by searching cleaning gel. I don't think they have much differences between these two. We will know what the difference is between these two later. I will use both of them to cleaning my car. We start with this one. And as you can see, I got a lot of dust and dirt in my interior. I'm not sure if you can see on camera. There are a lot of dust, and there are also dirt in this cup holder, and the dust on the screen, on the mirrors, and also on this dash, and especially in every vent there are lots of dust, and it is not easy to reach by using a wiper. Also on the steering wheel, this kind of area is really hard to reach, and it will be so much easier and convenient to using this gel. Now let me open it up. This gel, as you can see, is really soft and a little bit sticky, but it's not enough to stick on your hand, so you don't have to worry about to cleaning your hands. So you only need to put this gel on the area you want to clean. We start here. It's really useful, and as you can see, this area is also hard to reach. Let's see how this glue works. Now it's pretty clean, as you can see. Now we put this one back. Try another one. This is the one I got from Canadian Tire. We start with this named control. Especially like this kind of area, it's really hard to reach, and right now with this gel, it is so easy to clean. And also like this kind of area, just do it again. Push the gel in, make them full and stay for a while, and then take them out, and the dust are gone. There are a lot of dust and dirt inside the cup holder. By using this gel, you just push it in, make them full, and move them a little bit. And as you can see, the dust and dirt just stick on this gel, and the inside of the cup holder are really clean. And also like this kind of area, you can see there are a lot of dust and dirt on this surface, and you just push this one in, make them full, and now they are gone. Also same as here, now they are gone. So convenient to do with this gel. Now we clean the seat. As you can see, there are lots of dirt inside of this area, this kind of area. So you also can make them gone by using this gel. The process is same. Just push them in and rolling them around. Don't worry the gel left on the seats, you just rolling them back again, and then they will stick back. And as you can see, this area is cleaned up. It's so easy. And also this gel won't harm your leather, so don't worry about that. And also for these two gels, you don't smell anything at all, so don't worry about that as well. And also if you got some Alcantara like this, and you also can use this gel to clean them off. Also is harmless, so don't worry about that as well. And now let me finish my interior, and I will show you when it's done. For one tip, when you're cleaning the vents, as you can see, the vents is really hard to reach, and you just need to push this gel in. And as you can see, this is how this gel cleaning in the vents, and you just need to repeat this process again and again, and then they will gone. And also you don't need to worry about this gel will stay inside of the vents, because it won't. Even they stay inside of the vents, you just need to push again, make the gel to stick back on this main one. No more dust. For another tip, when you see the gel is become dirty on this side, and you just rolling them together, and then you can start to clean again to another new area. Now I just cleaned up my interior. Let me show you every detail. No more dust. Now the interior looks pretty clean. And as you can see, this gel becomes a little bit dark green because there are lots of dust and dirt stick on the gel. And also this one as well, lots of dust and dirt, even hair on this gel. After I cleaned up my car by using these two gel, I found out this one is much softer. I think these two are both great and also effective, but also this one is bigger than this one. So this will be the end of this video. How do you guys think this cleaning gel? I think this gel is pretty good. How do you guys think? Let me know in comments below. Hope you guys found this video helpful for you. Please subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram as well. Don't forget, I am giving away my ABT front spoiler, and you will see the instruction and the rules after like 10 seconds. Thank you for your watching. I will see you next video.